Hi students, how are you? Okay. So the last lesson, have you studied the last lesson, lesson 10? So today new lesson, light, sound and force. Okay, lesson 11, light, sound and force. You know the light, isn't it ma? Sunlight, torchlight, then some firefly also in the night time make the light, isn't it ma? So you know the light and also you know the sound. Sound also you know. Some noisy sound, vehicle sound, musical sound, some of the sound you know, isn't it? Force and force. Pull and push, force, okay. Any objects you are forcefully pull, isn't it? So you know the force. So light, sound and force you know, okay. So this lesson is light, sound and force, okay. First understanding light, okay. Light, okay. All of you listen here. Light helps us to see. Isn't it? Okay, you know, isn't it? Light helps us to see. Okay. The sun is the main source of heat and light on the earth. What is the main source? The sun is the main source of heat and light on the earth. So two types of it, luminous and non-luminous. Luminous and non-luminous. Okay, the first one, luminous. What is luminous? Luminous means object. Object means any one of the things, okay. Object that give out light are called luminous. Okay, what is luminous? Object that give out light. That objects are called luminous. Okay, luminous. What is luminous? Object that give out light, that is called luminous. Okay, say the example of luminous: sun, torch, tube light, lamp, types of lamp. Okay, so these all are luminous. Okay, what are the example of luminous? Sun, handle, torch light, lamp. So these are the examples of object. Okay, that luminous object. Okay, so now you understand what is luminous. Luminous objects that give out light. Objects that give out light is called luminous. Okay, then another one is non-luminous. So non-luminous object that do not give out light. That is called non-luminous. Okay, so luminous object give out light. Okay, object give the light, that is luminous. Non-luminous do not give out light. Okay, do not give out light, that is non-luminous. Say the example non-luminous: paper, table, height, bed. That all are non-luminous because that is do not give the light. Isn't it, ma? Say some, that also more examples. What are the objects that do not give the light? That all are non-luminous. What are the objects that give out the light? That is called luminous. All of you understand? So what is luminous? Objects that give out the light, that is called luminous. What is non-luminous? Object do not give out light, that is called non-luminous. Luminous example, torch light, handle, lamp, that etc. That all are luminous example. Non-luminous example, bed, paper, so the table, that all are non-luminous example. Okay, the next one is shadow. Shadow. Have you ever noticed a dark patch on the ground? So have you anybody noticed a dark patch on the ground? So that is shadow. Okay, ma, that is shadow. Okay, what is shadow? The dark patch is your shadow. The dark patch. Shadow means dark patch. Okay, Dark patch. Okay. So you are noticing the ground, isn't it? This dark patch already you are noticing. Every day you are noticing the ground, isn't it? So this dark patch is called shadow. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So that shadows are formed when an object blocks and path of light for luminous objects like the sun, bulb or handle. Okay. Sometimes the shadows are very smaller. Sometimes the shadows are very smaller and sometimes the shadows are very bigger than the actual size. Okay, very bigger than, sometimes the shadows are very bigger than the actual size. Okay, so that is shadow. So long shadows in the morning and short shadows at the noon time. Okay, afternoon time, the short shadows, the long shadows in the morning time. Okay, madam, that is shadow. Okay, what is shadow? What is shadow? The dark patch is your yes, that is shadow. Okay, sometimes this shadow is smaller in size. Sometimes this shadow is longer in size. Okay, longer in size. Next one is sound. Third one is sound. Okay, sound. You know the sound. Vehicle sound, then musical sound, more sound, isn't it, ma? When we talk, we are making a sound, isn't it? When we talk, you are making a sound, okay? Our tongue helps us to make sound. What all is help us to make sound? Our tongue. The tongue helps us to make sound, okay? You hear sound of all kinds with the help of our ears, okay? So how you are hear the sound? Your ears, with the help of ears, okay, mama? We hear various kinds of sounds. We hear various kinds of sounds such as the ring of bell or telephone sound, cry of a baby sound, then bark of a dog sound. So sound, many kinds of sound. Okay. So sometimes the sound very loud. Okay. Somebody make the sound very loud. The vehicles continuously. The vehicle sounds very loud, isn't it, ma? Very noisy, that is sound. Okay. So some sounds are unpleasant. Some sounds are unpleasant for continuously honking of the vehicles. Okay. Some sounds are very pleasant. Okay. Ring of the school bell. School bell. Very pleasant sound. Ring of the school bell. Because not continuously that bell. Okay. But continuously the vehicle sound very unpleasant. Okay. So that's our sound. Okay. The next one is noise. Next one is noise. Okay. Noise. So what all is or you are saying the noise? The sound is unpleasant. Isn't it? The sound that is loud and unpleasant, that is called noise. So what example I said the sound unpleasant? The continuous honking of the vehicle. Okay, continuous honking of the vehicle is very unpleasant one. Okay, so sound that is loud and unpleasant is called noise. Okay, ma, understand? So what happens when everybody in your class starts talking loudly at the same time? What happens when all the vehicles on the road start honking in a traffic jam? It's a very loud, isn't it? So that is noise. That is noise. Okay. So this noise, much noise, disturb the other people. So maybe the heart patient people, unhealthy people are very disturbing this sound. Okay, this noise is very disturbing sound. So we should learn to speak softly. Okay, we should learn to speak softly. Okay, understand? Noise. Okay, noise means sound that is loud and unpleasant. That is called noise. Okay, the next one is force. Next one is force. Next one is force. Okay, force. So everyday life we push or pull things to move them, isn't it? You push or pull. Any one of the object or any one of the things every day you push or pull things to move them. Okay, ma? A push or a pull is called force. Okay. What is force? A push or a pull. A push or a pull is called force. Okay, force. Okay. Every day, any one of the things you push or pull. You push or pull, that is called force. Understand? So this much only this lesson. Once again, all of you listen here. Once again, all of you listen here. Okay, first one is light. So light, two types of light, isn't it? So two types light, two types you have studied. First one is luminous and another one is non-luminous. So luminous, what are the objects are give out the light, that is called luminous. What are the example of luminous? Sun, candle, torchlight. Okay, that all are luminous. What are the objects are do not give out the light, that is called non-luminous. What are the objects are do not give the light, that is called non-luminous. Say the example of non-luminous: bed, paper, so etc. etc. That all are non-luminous. Then shadows. So the dark patch, okay, the dark patch on the ground, that is called shadow. Okay, in the morning time that is longer in size, in the noon time short in size in the shadow. Okay, ma. Next one is sound. So continuously the vehicle sound, the traffic jam that place, the continuously the vehicle sound is unpleasant one. The ring of bells in the school, okay, that all are pleasant sound. So sound is we are making the, when we talk you are making a sound. Okay, that is sound. Next one is noise. The sound that is loud and unpleasant is called noise. The sound that is loud and unpleasant is called noise. Okay. Force, any one of the things you push or pull or called force. Okay, push or pull or called force. Okay, that is the lesson. All of you take your book. Page number 108. Take your book, page number 108. Page number 108. Have you take the book? Page number 108. Circle the odd one out in each of the following. Let's remember. First, circle the odd one out in each of the following. First one, sun, paper, height, bed. Sun, paper, height, bed. What is the answer? Sun. Sun is the different one. Okay. Page 108. Roman letter 1, first one is answer sun. Okay, first one is answer sun. The second one, bulb, tube light, plant, fire. Bulb, tube light, plant, fire. What one is the correct answer? Plant. Okay, second one answer is plant. Plant is the correct answer. Okay, next third one. Shadow, long, short, noon. Shadow, long, short, noon. What one is the correct answer? Noon. Noon is the correct answer. Then Roman letter 2, true or false. Roman letter 2, true or false. First one, light helps us to see things. Light helps us to see things. Light helps us to see things. Is it correct or wrong? Correct, isn't it? So answer is true. First one is answer is true. Okay. Then second one, shadow is always black. Shadow is always black. Is it correct? Shadow is always black. Okay, that answer is true. Answer is true. Third one, the length of the shadow remains the same throughout the day. The length of the shadow remains the same throughout the day. Same, the length of the shadow. Already what I said, morning only longer, noon time very short. So the length of the shadow shadow remains the same throughout the day? No. So answer is false. Answer is false. Okay, understand? All of you understand? Roman letter 2. All of you look at your book. All of you look at your book. Roman letter 2. First one. Light helps us to see things. Answer true. Second one. Shadow is always black. Answer true. Third one. The length of the shadow remains the same throughout the day. Answer false. Okay. Then page number 111. Page 111. Take, all of you take. Page number 111. Roman letter 1. Roman letter 1. A. First one. Roman letter 1. A first one. Filling the blanks with the correct words. First one. The sun is a natural or man-made source of light. The sun is a dash source of light. Natural. First one answer natural. Okay. Sun is a natural source of light. Second one. Sun is a natural source of light. Second one. A shadow is a long or short at noon. What? Answer. Short. A shadow is a short at noon. A shadow is a short at noon. Okay. Then third one. Our ears help us dash, make or hear sound. Our ears help us hear sound. Okay. Hear sound. Hear sound. Then fourth one. Dash, loud and unpleasant or soft and pleasant sound is called noise. What is noise? Loud and unpleasant. Okay, answer. Loud and unpleasant. Loud and unpleasant. Loud and unpleasant. Then fifth one. A push or pull is called friction or force. A push or pull is called force. Okay. Fifth one answer force. Okay. Fifth one answer force. Once again, all of you look at your book. Look at your book. First one. The sun is a natural source of light. Second one. A shadow is short at noon. Third one. Our ears help us hear sound. Fourth one, loud and unpleasant sound is called noise. Fifth one, a push or pull is called force. Okay, ma'am. Then B, true or false. B, true or false. First one, friction is a type of force. Friction also one type of force. Okay, ma'am. So the answer is true. So answer is true. First one answer is true. Then second one, all objects give off light. All objects give off light. No. Okay, so the answer is false. Answer is false. Then third one, all sounds are pleasant. All sounds are pleasant. Answer is false. Okay, so answer is third one. Answer is false. Fourth one. Shadows of different objects are of different colors. Shadows of different objects are of different colors. Answer is false. Okay, answer is false. Fifth one. Friction makes things go faster. Friction makes things go faster. Answer is false. Okay, answer is false. So only one true. The first one only true. First one only true. Friction is a type of force. All of you listen. Look at your book. All of you listen. Look at your book. Friction is a type of force. Answer true. Okay. Second one. All objects give off light. Answer false. Third one. All sounds are pleasant. Answer false. Fourth one. Shadows of different objects are of different colors. Answer false. Fifth one. Friction makes things go faster. Answer false. Okay. All of you understand? All of you understand? So remaining exercise we can see the next class. Okay. Okay. Thank you.